Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you through settings how you can clear all your temp files. For this, first of all, open your settings. In this, come to system, where you'll find all the system operations over here. I'll show you one by one in my further videos because these are very basic and necessary. If you go to storage, it will ask you a permission to allow this app to make changes. Just give yes and wait for a few more seconds to load. Here we see multiple options like installed apps, others, temporary files, cleanup recommendation, advanced storage settings. First we'll wait for all this data to come. Once this comes, we'll next proceed with the further steps. So now you can see my main drive, that is C drive, is of 731 GB, where I have consumed 448 GB, where the installed apps are 349 GB, the others are 28.3 GB, temp files are 14 GB, videos 4.31 GB. So in this way you can see, if you want to delete all these files, you can do from here, or otherwise as I was showed previously, by using in run dialog box you can type temp and just clear it here. If you want to clean up recommendations, it is of 5 GB, where in downloads, system recovery log files and recycle bin. By this you can select the checkbox and give cleanup. So in this way, by going into system storage, you can access all your data and information about your storage. If you come inside any of the types, if I just go others, here you'll see the complete details of data, like where the system's data are stored. For example, if I want to see the data with regards to Docker, if I go on a search here, it will directly take me to the folder, so you can directly access over here. So this is a very basic method. You must know how to access this file system, because whenever we are coding, the file systems are very important to take the path. So taking path is very important while doing coding or developing a project. So in this way you will be helped to do this. So from this video I have shown you how to clear the storage data, as well as how you can access the path in Windows for file systems. So this is it about today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.